Hey, good morning, everyone. This morning we got a phone call from a customer. Their employee washroom literally stopped working. So we're down here now, and we're going to be replacing this sewage pump that's in here. That's stanky. God, that smells bad. So that this little gap there is where this bad boy is going to go now. Alrighty, so here's our pit. Pump seized. We're going to get the pump out of here. And the lid. Grab our cord. Why? They're fighting us. There is our Liberty sewage pump. That right there will most definitely burn out a pump. Alrighty, so all we're going to do is remove this nipple, because the height of the outlet of discharge of both these pumps is exactly the same. So take that out of there. Screw that nicely into there. And go drop this back in the pit. Alrighty, so the pump's back in. We have a new Duro Titan pump in there. Wasn't really much to show you guys. It's pretty small space and everything else. But now we're going to go ahead and put this check valve in. Nice thing about these is we'll just take this nut here off. Goes on just like that. These are compression fittings. This nut here goes up, spins on. And tighten that up. And that there is going to go right there. So we'll just repeat step one. Make this nut here. Nut. There. Our black rubber gasket. Just slide that up. And then in order to get this together, you can see that ain't gonna go any higher. I'm just gonna undo this compression right here. Take this. That goes right there. Not overly either like compression fittings or glued check valves, only because ones with a gear clamp, if you get a lot of shake and rattle in the pipe, clamps will loosen off. Not you know, possibly they will. It might take 2 years, it might take 5 years, but they will loosen off, and then you'll end up filling your basement, your ceiling space or whatever with raw sewage. So we have a pipe wrench for this. Okay. Do the same here. Okay. Alrighty, now the moment of truth. So put it together. We'll take our piggyback float system here, plug that in, and we'll take this and plug it into the wall here. And success. Nice thing about these is if you want to work on a pump and this is holding a lot of headering like that, you just shut this off, undo this union, slide the pump out. Anyhow, I hope that was helpful. Alrighty, and then for serviceability, we've got the check valve in here. If you have to get the pump out again, instead of putting the ABS coupling in here, we'll just slide this up. You guys can see that. Well, I'll just put this fern coat in here. Tighten up a couple of gear clamps. That way, if we ever have to get this out again, just very quickly undo these 2 gear clamps, undo our union there, and we'll have the pump out in a couple of minutes.